How to set a price alert on the Binance app. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can set a price alert on Binance app. So first of all, what is a price alert? So a price alert helps you stay on top of the market by notifying you when a certain price or condition is met. So you can set a price alert for price changes as well. Now, to set a price alert on your Binance app, what you'll have to do is first of all open the Binance app on your mobile device and then simply make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you're logged in, on the bottom side of the screen you can see 5 different options. You'll have to tap on the second option, which is markets. After that, search for the desired trading pair from the search bar. So for this example, I'll simply use BNB or USDT. Now tap on the alert icon on the screen's bottom left corner and select an alert type. So for now, I'll simply choose price rises above. Now once you've done that, enter the price you wish to receive the alert and select the alert frequency. Now once you've done that, tap on the option create alert. And now, as you can see, alert successfully created. Now you will receive an alert when the conditions are met. Now if you want to add more alerts, simply tap on the option add alert, which is on the bottom side of the screen. So that is basically how you set up a price alert on Binance. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.